See? Nah.
You gonna clean the table, Taylor?
Yeah. Nom 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 nom. See? Bite.
Good job.
A tub. Mom, a tub.
What?
A tub, I said tub.
Oh, there's a cup outside? It's okay, honey. How's your soup, Kaylee?
It's good. How was your salad?
It was alright.
I got regular milk.
Oh. Don't pour it out, Goofy.
I won't.
Are you all done cleaning, Taylor?
No. I'm helping.
Thank you for helping. Are you all done with your soup, Kaylee?
No. Just look at my beautiful crown.
That was a
Come on,
beautiful crown
Pouch.
you made, honey.
My pouch.
Where's your crown?
I know. This is my bean.
You did a great job, honey. You had fun at Chick-fil-A, didn't you?
Uh-huh. Maybe help me put some glitter on.
You found yours, Taylor?
Yeah. Hey, Joey.
No, it's not dirty. When you were making it, you got a little dirty, but that's okay.
Hey, Joey.
It's pretty.
Hey, Joey.
It's not dirty, honey. It's dry, so it's okay.
Hey, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Taylor, watch me. See if my finger's fine.